Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're diving deep into the freezing, lightless waters of Antarctica to witness a true biological impossibility. We're looking at a creature that completely defies everything we know about anatomy, survival, and the very mechanics of life itself. The Antarctic ice fish. You know, this isn't just a story about a strange fish. This is a literal medical miracle swimming around in the darkest corners of the ocean.
So, what if your body had no blood? I mean, take a second to really imagine that. An existence completely void of the very fluid that sustains human life. For us, blood is the absolute baseline of survival, right? It's the river that feeds every single organ, tissue, and cell. To exist without it, it kind of seems like pure science fiction.
And by no blood, we mean no red color whatsoever. It's a stark, honestly shocking reality. The hue we naturally associate with vitality, with energy, and with life itself is just completely missing. Try to picture a creature whose internal systems are totally devoid of that life-giving crimson. Wild, right? But hey, it actually goes way deeper than just color. We're talking about absolutely zero oxygen-carrying cells. It sounds insane, doesn't it? To survive without the microscopic vehicles specifically designed to transport oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body? For pretty much every vertebrate on the planet, lacking these cells is a guaranteed instant death sentence.
Section 1. A bloodless mystery, the creature of the deep south. Section 2. Biology without hemoglobin, defying the odds.
Okay, let's dive into this. How is this even possible? Well, hemoglobin is the protein in our red blood cells that actually grabs onto oxygen. Without it, you die. It's that simple. But the ice fish, it evolved on an entirely different path. In standard survival, red blood cells efficiently bind to oxygen. But down there, the icy Antarctic waters are exceptionally rich in dissolved oxygen. So instead of using hemoglobin as a carrier, the ice fish simply absorbs that abundant oxygen directly into its clear blood plasma. Its transparent fluid literally soaks it up like a giant sponge.
Section 3. The evolutionary trade-off, paying the price. Because nature always demands a price, doesn't it? You can't just bypass a fundamental biological system without some severe consequences. Since clear blood carries way less oxygen, this fish had to totally over-engineer its anatomy. Step 1, it grew a massive heart. Step 2, that huge heart pumps blood much, much faster, racing like a high-performance engine just to get that oxygen distributed. And step 3, it developed significantly larger blood vessels to handle all that massive flow. It literally pushes its body to the absolute physical limits just to stay alive. Section 4. Nature's built-in antifreeze, surviving the freeze.
Now, you might be wondering, how does a fish with fluid that basically resembles clear water not instantly turn into a solid block of ice in sub-zero oceans? Well, the answer lies in specialized antifreeze proteins. Down in that extreme cold, jagged, deadly ice crystals are constantly trying to form in the bloodstream. But these unique proteins physically latch onto the ice. They block it. They stop the crystals dead in their tracks. They actively prevent the fish from freezing solid. Without them, the ice fish would be a frozen statue in seconds.
Section 5. Revolutionizing human medicine, why scientists care.
Now, what's really interesting about all this is that it isn't just neat biological trivia. Unlocking the secrets of the ice fish actually has the potential to absolutely revolutionize human medicine. By studying exactly how it thrives without red blood and how it uses those antifreeze proteins, we could achieve some truly incredible things. Imagine being able to preserve human organs for transplant way longer than what's currently possible, potentially saving thousands of lives. We could drastically improve cryogenic storage for cells and tissues, and frankly, understand extreme biological adaptation on a level we've never seen before.
In one of the most punishing, harshest environments on planet Earth, the Antarctic ice fish did something truly unbelievable. As this quote perfectly states, it rewrote the rules of survival. Think about it. It abandoned red blood, grew a massive heart, and literally engineered its own antifreeze. It forces us to ask a pretty massive question. If nature can engineer a medical miracle like this in the freezing dark, what other impossibilities are hiding out there, just waiting to change the world of human medicine forever?